Hey guys. Okay, so you should have read the hiccup story. Now we're going to start with question number 32. I know it's kind of weird that it doesn't start with one, but that's okay. We're going to roll with it. 32. The author wrote this selection most likely to F, convince the reader that hiccups are easily cured. G, persuade the reader to become an inventor. H, present different ideas about how to stop hiccups. Or J, compare homemade recipes to an award-winning recipe. Number 33. Which section would be most helpful to a person who wants to find information about the cause of hiccups? A, what is a hiccup? B, making hiccups go away. C, award-winning recipe. Or D, a recipe for curing hiccups. Number 34. One reason Mallory K thought her lollipop could help stop hiccups was that F, her friends and family members enjoyed the taste of her lollipops. G, she knew the ingredients in her lollipops had worked for other people. H, her friends and family members had researched the idea for her. Or J, she was asked to share her recipe with others at a contest. Number 35. The author begins the selection with the ideas in paragraph 1, most likely to A, interest the reader in a subject that many people have experienced. B, suggest what it feels like to have the hiccups. C, explain to the reader why people have trouble recognizing hiccups. Or D, identify the most common time to get hiccups. Number 36. What is the meaning of the word irritating in paragraph 6? F, scary. B, G, strange. H, annoying. Or J, hurting. All right, this is a long one. Remember, somebody wanted but so then when we're summarizing. What is the best summary of this selection? A, when people get hiccups, the cure that works for one person may not work for another. There are many ways to try to make hiccups go away. Some cures can be made from ingredients found in the kitchen. A young girl has invented a lollipop that helps some people cure their hiccups. B, people get hiccups for many different reasons. Some people get them because they drink a hot liquid immediately after a cold liquid. Some people become too excited and get the hiccups. There are many ways to cure the hiccups. One way is to hold your breath. C, a hiccup starts in a person's diaphragm. Many ideas on how to stop hiccups have been tried. A lot of those ideas include common items found in a kitchen. These homemade recipes include sugar. Anyone who has the hiccups can make a homemade recipe to help stop them. Or D, people have thought of different ways to cure hiccups. Some people believe that a scare can make the hiccups go away. They think that getting startled causes people to think about something other than their hiccups. Then the muscles in the throat relax and the hiccups go away. Oof. Number 38. The main reason Mallory wanted to find a cure for hiccups was to F, invent a product she could sell. G, find a solution to her own problem. H, prove that homemade recipes work. Or J, have a reason to work in I did that last time. Why do I keep saying chapter? Number 39. A hic sound during a hiccup is made when A, food is swallowed. B, a deep breath is taken. C, air strikes the vocal cords. D, the temperature in the stomach changes. Paragraphs 4 and 5 are mainly about F, different ways people can try to cure hiccups. G, how people with hiccups use ingredients from the kitchen. H, why getting scared might work to cure hiccups. Or J, different types of sweet and sour foods used in recipes. Okay, great job.